If you're having issues with your JBL Flip 7 and you need to know how to fix them, this is the SoundGuys troubleshooting guide for the JBL Flip 7. The best way to start troubleshooting is to factory reset the Flip 7. To factory reset the JBL Flip 7, press and hold the play and plus buttons on the side of the speaker. Since the Flip 7 is now factory reset, you'll most likely have to go back and manually pair. Make sure to unpair the Flip 7 from your devices before manually pairing after the factory reset. Here's how to put the JBL Flip 7 into pairing mode. To manually pair the Flip 7, press the Bluetooth pairing button on the side of the Flip 7. Go into your Bluetooth menu, make sure it's turned on, and select the JBL Flip 7 under the list of available devices. Now that you've paired the Flip 7, you can connect a second Flip 7 to enable stereo mode. Just make sure to keep in mind that you'll need another Flip 7 to use it in stereo mode. But how do you do this? To connect two JBL Flip 7s for stereo mode, press the Auracast button on the Flip 7 that you're already connected to. You can then press the Auracast button on the second Flip 7. Go into the app and you'll be able to find both speakers and set them to stereo mode. And remember, stereo mode only works when connected via Bluetooth. It does not work through a USB-C connection. You can play lossless audio with a wired connection using a USB-C to C cable. Unfortunately, you won't be able to use a USB-C to 3.5mm aux connection with the Flip 7. To connect to the JBL Flip 7 wired, plug in your phone or source device to a USB-C cable. With the Flip 7 on, press and hold the play button while inserting the other end of the USB-C cable. You should hear a chime, which means you're connected for wired audio. If you're taking a call with the Flip 7, know that it doesn't have a microphone. Instead, it uses the microphones on your phone or whatever source device you're using. Here's how to unhook the strap from the Flip 7. Next to the strap is a textured button. Press it down to release the hook for the strap. It takes a good amount of pressure, but the strap will then be able to slide out. After a while, your JBL Flip 7 can become a little dirty. Here's how you can clean it. To clean the JBL Flip 7, you can easily wash the dirt off with some water if you have to. You can use a mild soap and a soft brush. You can even submerge the JBL Flip 7 underwater thanks to its IP68 water resistance rating. Just remember not to do so in salt water, aka the ocean. If you're unable to charge the Flip 7, it's because there may be water or other debris in the charging port, indicated by the flashing lights whenever you try to charge. You can leave the JBL Flip 7 out to dry, but make sure not to push in regular tissue paper as you can leave bits and pieces in the charge port. But if none of that solves your problems with the Flip 7 and you're looking to have it repaired or replaced, you're going to need the serial number for your Flip 7. You can find it in the app, but if you're unable to connect to the Flip 7, the serial number is located right underneath the strap, close to the exclamation mark. If you're up and running, that's awesome. Make sure to give us a like for helping you out, subscribe if you want to know more about the world of audio, and as usual, happy listening.